Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. There is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 12 and its title is Good Study Habits. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 3, we will learn about synonyms and antonyms, and we will cover up page 96, question number 7. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, as you know that before in English for grade 3, we have already learned about synonyms and antonyms. I hope you may remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to learn more about it. Our today's students' learning outcomes are locate, provide, and use words similar and opposite in meaning. So yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, so today we are going to cover up this SLO. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ashrah, verse number 5, so surely with hardship comes ease. Yes, my dear students, so this beautiful verse is telling us that if we are facing hardship, if we are in the time of misery, so don't be upset and have a firm trust on Allah Almighty. So definitely we will get a good time after this. So this beautiful verse is telling us there after every hardship come ease. So do you know which type of these words are? Yes, these are antonyms. Hardship, ease. These are opposite of. So today we are going to learn about these words. So pre-reading questions are there, my dear students. So let's refresh our knowledge. Yes, now answer that. What are antonyms? Okay, good. And what are synonyms? Excellent job. I hope you have remembered it. So let's see what are antonyms and synonyms. An antonym is a term for a word that has an opposite meaning to another word. So antonym is a word that have opposite meaning. So that opposite direction we can say, so same words that have opposite meaning. So those words are called antonym. The word antonym comes from a combination of two terms, anti, which means opposite, and onym, meaning name. So yes, my dear students, as we can see that the word antonym is the combination of two words. It is a combination of two words. Anti means opposite and onym mean name. So these words give us opposite words of any other word. So we can see in few examples are there for you. Fast. So you can see that the tiger, how it ran fast. Next is there slow. The tortoise is always slow, my dear students. So you can see that fast is a word and its opposite word is slow. So that slow is antonym. Good. Next, wise. So grandfather is always a wise person due to his long experience. So he is usually considered as a wise person. So let's see, next is like foolish. So did you judge, my dear students? So this picture, what it is being shown? Yeah, this is a story of a clever fox and a foolish crow. So I hope you remember it. So this is antonym. Wise, foolish. Next example, cool. So ice cream is always cool, my dear students. And what will be antonym? Yes, good. It's hot. Tea is hot. So this is antonym of cool, hot. And it can be like if we will say hot, cool, cool, hot. Both words can be antonym of each other. Fat. There is a word fat. Look how the cat is so fat. Healthy. And slim. He is slim and smart. So this is antonym. You can judge how is healthy cat, and that boy is so slim. So slim and fat, both words are antonym and opposite to each other. So next, what is synonym? A synonym is a word having the same sense as another. So my dear students, antonym was opposite words. Okay, and the synonym is a word that have the same meaning, related meaning. It is not opposite, but it is related meaning, and it gives us an other word, same like that word. It is the combination of two words, syn together, same like same, together, same, and onym meaning name. So it means same name, same like that. It is also combination of two words, syn and onym, synonym that we read. And it is also combination of two words, means together, same name, related meaning. These words have related meaning. So see in examples that before I gave that fast, like quick, it has same meaning. This is synonym. Quick is synonym of fast, and fast is synonym of quick. These both words are synonym of each other, my dear students. See next example. Yes, wise, intelligent. So grandfather is a wise man and grandfather is an intelligent man. So both are same terms. So these both are same terms, and we both can be used as a wise to show wise, like beautiful, pretty. So this scene is so beautiful, this scenery is so pretty. So both words are qualifying that, and these are called synonyms and have same meanings related to each other. We can use both words in same sense. So next, what was the word? Fat. Yes, overweight. Fat, overweight, both same meaning, both have like fat. Before in next we have read that fat, slim, that was an antonym, but now we are talking about synonym. So that fat mean overweight, both have same meaning and both words are related to each other. Yes, the word antonym is itself an antonym. It is the opposite of a synonym, which is a word that has the same meaning as another word. Yes, my dear students, so there is another information to give you more knowledge, that the word antonym is itself an antonym of which word? Yes, word synonym, because antonym means opposite meaning and synonym means same meaning, related to each other. So this word is also opposite antonym of synonym. So yes, my dear students, so let's perform an activity in class. Yes, my dear teachers, write 3 words on the board. Call 3 students to write their synonym and antonym on the board. Encourage students to use their own mind. Yes, my dear teachers, you will write that and you will make it this way. War, student will write synonym and antonym, shocked and happy. So give chance to your students, make this activity same like that and enjoy. Welcome back, my dear students and my dear teachers, and I hope you have enjoyed it and you have get much knowledge about synonyms and antonyms. So now it's time to perform an individual activity on page number 96, question number 7. Write a synonym and an antonym for each word. Use the words from the word box. These words are given and you will write synonym and antonym. This is individual activity, my dear students and my dear teachers. Pause the video and get this assessment from your students. Excellent job. Good job. Yes, so what's our homework for today? Write 10 words with their synonyms and antonyms in your notebook. So you will write 10 words and you will write their synonyms and antonyms in your notebook. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet is given below. Download it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have covered today? Today we got concept about antonym and synonyms of a word. So that we got concept how we can make a word as a synonym and antonym. In this way we have covered up SLO, locate, provide and use words similar and opposite in meaning. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.